So now in this video we're going to take a quick look at the capacitor component. So this is a large value capacitor, not a super capacitor or anything. There's a whole lot larger capacitors, but this is about as large as you'll use in most circuits. So it's a 1000 microfarad, the same as a millifarad, 1/1000th of a farad. There's super capacitors in the farad range. This side has to be more negatively charged. We can charge it up to 35 volts. So the easiest way to do that, this is polarized. Not all capacitors are polarized. Some of them you can charge in either direction. So we're going to put the negative side of the capacitor directly in negative rail, and then the positive to this jumper. So right now we made sure that we are discharged. I have another resistor to the positive supply right there, and if you watch the current on here, you're not going to see the exact current. It's going to start off actually at about 12 milliamps, but really quickly the current dropped as the capacitor charged. You could see how quick it charged. Now we remove this. So this LED is not connected to the power supply other than ground. But the other side of the capacitor here is also connected to ground right there. So if I go to the anode, the long lead of the LED, and I went to the short lead, unfortunately. So I'll just give it an instant charge right there. And there you can see we are powering the LED with the capacitor right there. So it faded really quick, but you can see it could power it for a little bit. So as you saw, the capacitor can provide a little bit of power for a period of time. So that is one of the uses. You would just put it to the supply rail here if you wanted to, and if you briefly lose power, if it's quick enough, the LED will stay pretty much fully lit right there. So it'll pick up the slack every once in a while. Also, you saw the LED faded down over time, and when you discharge through a resistance or charge through a resistance, it takes time to change the charges. So that's called RC time constant, which will be covered in other videos. I'm going to keep this one short, so hope you enjoyed. Make sure you check out one of the other videos I'm posting on the screen. Click like, subscribe, the bell, all that. Donate Patreon if you can. That helps out the most. I have links down below. But watching videos helps out a lot. Thanks for watching them. I'll see you in the next video.